What if I told you 99% of people using AI content are doing it completely wrong? Everyone's pumping out ChatGPT articles thinking they're being clever, but here's the problem nobody talks about. You know those AI detection tools? They're catching everything, and it's about to get way worse for anyone still just using basic AI content. Today, I'm going to show you something that's going to blow your mind. We're talking about creating AI content that sounds so human, it slips past any detection tool on the internet. And I'm not just talking about theory here. We tested this on two of the most accurate AI detectors out there. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create content that sounds genuinely human while still leveraging AI's crazy speed. AI tools like ChatGPT have made content creation stupid easy. You can type in a prompt, hit enter, and boom, you get an instant article. But here's the part everyone's missing. That content sounds like it was written by a robot. Well, because it was written by a robot. And those AI detection tools, they're getting scary good at spotting this stuff. I'm talking about tools like Scriber's AI detector and Winston AI. These things will flag your content faster than you can say artificial intelligence. And if you're creating content for clients, building content for social media, or just trying to sound more natural in your newsletter, this is a huge problem because nobody wants to read content that sounds like it came from a machine, right? So let me show you exactly what I mean. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write a simple blog post about 7 tips for AI writing. Okay, looks like we've got our content. Now let's see what happens when we run this through some AI detectors. First up, we've got Scriber's AI detector. And okay, 100% AI generated. So this didn't pass. There's no surprise there. Let's try Winston AI. All right, same result. This tool is saying it's likely written by AI. So it's pretty clear that both detectors are catching this stuff immediately. But wait, it gets worse. Even when I ask ChatGPT to write more human-like content, for example, look at this. It's still getting flagged. Maybe slightly better scores, but nowhere near passing the tests. This is the problem 99% of people are facing right now. But here's where things get interesting. There's this special prompt that completely changes the game. Instead of just polishing your content, this prompt actually humanizes any AI text to sound genuinely natural. So let's take the same ChatGPT content and run it through this humanizing prompt. And add the prompt, and let's see what it gives us. All right. Look at this. We've got a completely rewritten version that sounds way more natural, but the real test is, will it pass those AI detectors? Let's find out. All right, holy crap. Look at this. Scriber is now saying our content is human made. That's a massive improvement. But here's where it gets really cool. Instead of rewriting existing AI content, you can use this humanizing prompt that I created to generate completely original articles from scratch. Just enter your topic with the humanizing prompt, hit create, and all right, look at this content. It reads completely naturally, no robotic tone, no weird phrasing. But let's put it to the ultimate test. The Scriber, 100% human written, zero AI detection. Perfect. Now, I'm not saying you should try to fool people or be deceptive, but if you're creating legitimate content and just want to avoid the hassle of AI detection flags, this could be a total game changer, especially if you're building content for clients who are paranoid about AI, working on SEO projects where you need natural sounding content, creating marketing materials that need to connect with like real humans, or just trying to sound more natural in your writing. Because here's the thing, AI content detection is only getting more sophisticated. These tools are getting better every month, but with the right approach, you can create content that sounds genuinely human while still leveraging AI speed and efficiency. So here's what I want you to do. If you want the humanizer prompt that we used in this video, simply click the link down in the description below. Give this method a shot and see how it works for your content. I think you're going to be pretty surprised at the difference that you get with this. And if this video helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. We're always testing the latest AI tools and sharing what actually works. So now you know how to create undetectable blog posts. But you may also be interested in creating undetectable AI avatars. If that sounds like something you want to find out how to do, just watch the video that shows up on the screen next. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.